This is Zachary from Burnt Downs Country Kitchen. We are in the country still, but we are not in the kitchen. We're on location. We rented a cabin. I will do a show, maybe two here. Come in and take a look. We got a pond out that way for fishing. And I'll be doing some cooking sometime in that country kitchen. All right, y'all. Until we get going on some cooking, we're gonna unpack and have some fun. See you then. Today we're gonna get after dirty birds. I don't like calling them dirty birds because Atlanta Falcons used to be in my Niners division. I am a stout Niner fan. Go Niners. But we're going to call him Dirty Bird anyways, because that's what the gentleman called him that I saw. So let's get after it. Here's the ingredients. We got some boneless chicken breasts. We got some bacon, some pickled jalapeno. You can use fresh. I do have fresh, but I'm saving that. And of course, my seasonings. You use any seasonings you want. I don't think it really matters. I got some smoked paprika, some pink Himalayan salt, some meat tenderizer, onion powder, garlic powder, cracked black pepper, of course, some sweet peppers. So let's get after this. So the first thing we're going to do is get our sweet peppers ready. We just chuck that. That's how we get down. We just chuck it. Go ahead and peel out these centers and seeds because we're not going to want that. Just like that. We'll start with two. I'm sure we'll make more, but we'll start with two. Because we're going to do jalapeno ones too for me. Mrs. Burnt Down don't like the heat, but I sure do. Okay. So now we're just going to cut circles. That has to be plenty. Plenty. Next, we're going to cut up our chicken. We're just going to want them basically chunks. Say maybe that size. It's a good size. Perfect. Now, like most things I cook, never done this before. Saw it look good. Figured why not. We want a few of them, that's for sure. A little bigger than bite size, I guess. So now, I already did one as a test. I've never done it before, so I wanted to make sure that was going to hold up. Get another one here. With pepper on it. Get a piece of bacon. This bacon's still a little frozen, but it'll be all right. It'll be all right. Here we go. Nice wrap around. Go back the other way. And what I didn't show you in the first part was get you some wooden skewers. Shove that in there. Probably do 3 per stick, I think. That'd be good, right? 3 per stick. This bacon's still really cold and frozen. So we'll just be careful with it. Try to get it to separate. Nice. Okay, again. Set it on there. Start wrapping it. And we'll go ahead and hit the other side of it. Make sure that whole thing's wrapped up good. Put it in the skewer. On, through the skewer. Here we go. Just like that. So, that's one done. So we're about 3.5 hours from where we live. And I knew I was going to do some shows out here, at least 1 or 2. I'll probably do in the next one a breakfast. But you have no idea how much stuff extra I had to bring that I've never brought before, just to make sure I had all what I needed to do this show. Because why not, every time you travel, if you can work it out, go on location and show y'all. Plus, it's a beautiful cabin. I will link this cabin in the description down there, in case y'all want to ever come visit here. It is a beautiful property. There's 2 fishing ponds, a fire pit, and all kinds of stuff. It's beautiful out here, so why not, right? Why not? Why not? Okay, those 3, I got 9 done of the regular sweet peppers. And now I'm fixing to get after these jalapenos. Let's go ahead and season some of these. There's onion powder, garlic powder, some smoked paprika. That's what I decided to go with. Like I said, you do you. It really doesn't matter. Work. Get some skewers over here. So let's get after these jalapeno ones. I went with pickled this time around. I do have some fresh ones, but I'm going to save that for the breakfast tomorrow, I think. Well, I mean, I guess at this point I don't think I know, right? I don't think I know. So same as before, except we're using jalapenos. I am going to enjoy these. Again, we just wrap them both ways. Shove them through the skewer. These are just going to be so good. Probably not the best thing for you because of the bacon. But come on, it's bacon. Who doesn't like bacon? Well, some people don't like pork. But you don't have to have pork bacon. That's the beauty of it. Get you something else. It ain't got to be pork. There's also vegans. Again, well, I mean, vegetarian, vegan, all that. They do have alternate choices for you beautiful people. Like I say, y'all do you. You do you. 2. We'll do one more of this. And I'll do a couple of the other ones again. How about that? We'll just keep doing until we run out of bacon. We'll do some non-stick. We'll go ahead and throw it in the oven. I'm going to start at 375. Nice and slow, and we'll go from there. I'm sure at some point I'm going to ratchet it up. Go ahead and throw these on. Get some non-stick spray, I'm sure you saw. Okay. In between, we'll throw these bad boys. Just like that. And one more there. It's a lot of meat. Lots of meat. Okay, I'm going to put this in right now. Okay, those are in the oven. Just got them in. 375. After a while, I'm going to go ahead and probably sauce them up. Flip them over. And then possibly kick it up to 425, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. All right, we'll be back. Okay, so I took the chicken out of the oven, but I want to get a better sear on this bacon. Just a hot pan. Get them off the skewer. That's a good start. Just keep up on them, turn them. You just want to brown them. They weren't cooking quick enough for me. I am hungry. Plus, I want a good crisp on it. It's sitting in its own grease. It's never going to get crisp. So we'll go ahead and do it this way. To finish it out, nice sear on them. These are reverse sears. Is that what we're calling it? Reverse sears. Go ahead and put some sauce on them. Yeah, I'm glad I did it this way. I wanted to do it on the grill, but couldn't get that to fire up. So next best thing is get them going in the oven for a little while. That way they're nice and cooked evenly, and they can stay on the skewer so they stick together for a little while. That's important. But now they're good and stuck together for the most part. So. Good to get them on here. Golly. These are going to be so good. Keep up on our cleaning. I will definitely be putting a description if you want to rent this cabin. I'm not getting anything special out of it. There's nothing in it for me. It's strictly in it for you guys, for y'all, if you decide to take advantage, because it's nice. $78 a night, I think we paid, and we're staying a couple of nights. Just a quick little getaway. It can't all be about work, right? Cannot all be about work. Sometimes you just gotta go and enjoy. These are looking so good. Alright, y'all. We are about done here. These dirty birds, they smell amazing. Do me a favor. Smash that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That helps me out a lot. If you haven't already, take the time to do that. Go ahead, I'll wait. I'm on vacation. I'm in no hurry. All right, did you do it? Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let's go after this taste test. Let's see. I'm gonna grab one of these because I know it's a jalapeno. Some of them are hard to tell. Go ahead and cut into this one here. Look at that. Man, that looks so good. All right, let's do this. From How to Barbecue Right, I believe is the channel. Give them a look. This looks really good. It's soft, it's tender. Put the fork down, let's get a little messy. Right? Oh, the jalapenos. The meat is really juicy and tender. The bacon that was wrapped on it really helped do that. Wow, this is good. A mister. Man, that's good. I'm gonna dip it in some blue cheese as well. You do you. And I'll make me up a salad. And that extra chicken chunks I cooked up, I'm just gonna put that in my salad. So I'm gonna get after dinner. Thanks for coming with me on vacation. I hope y'all get up, make some food, make something, make anything. Make dirty birds. These are good. All right, y'all. Till next time.